Not a rain in sight, huh? Nope. Alright, well, let's go get your mother. What's up, everybody? I am going upstairs. Heather got her shirts today, so that's pretty awesome. I guess everybody was telling her if you get your shirts that you're basically in. So Heather got her shirts. So she's basically in. I can't see shit in front of me with this, the iPhone light of death right here.
Yeah, I know. It's a death light.
I'm talking down there. See, let's go see how this looks in the mirror. See? It's so bright. It's alright though. So, anyways, Heather did get her shirts. So she's accepted.
I got my shirts.
She's accepted into the, I guess that job, they're looking at her as maybe she'll be more permanent there. So that is a definite plus for her. Tomorrow, I go to work today. We got some crazy rainstorm. Sorry I was driving, couldn't much record it. It got insane. But other than that, tomorrow should be good. It's working early morning hours, get off early, so that's a plus. Heather will not be home, unfortunately.
No, I will not be.
So, that sucks. So I'll say, sorry for the short vlogs lately, but they've been working out for us, trying to clean up and do stuff of that nature. So other than that, peace out. Thanks for watching, guys.
Bye.